Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K, and we'll be doing another hair tutorial today. This video is being sponsored by iconofbeautysupply.com. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. If you haven't shopped with them before, they are just basically a beauty supply store. You can shop online or you can go in store. They do have lace wigs, weaves, closures, braid, hair pieces, accessories, edge control, edge wrap, you know, everything you can think of for hair they do have, and also accessories and tools to help you out with your hair. So they did send me the scarf with the comb that came with my order, that I really do like, because you can wrap your hair up at night. Okay, so this wig right here is going to be Sensational's new Human Hair Blend HD lace wig. It is the Butta lace loose deep 24 inch. So it has human hair and synthetic fibers mixed in with it. So with this unit, it has two combs on top, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps. As you can see, it has baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairline. The pre-plucked hairline is flawless. Love the pre-plucked hairline. Love the baby hairs. The baby hairs are not freaking thick, long at all. I did trim them down, but they not like super long to where if you don't know what you're doing, you don't have to trim them down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start by cutting off the lace. Since there's only about an inch worth of lace, you really don't have to worry about the size, because you can see the sides are not plucked, but the top where your parting space goes, that's where it's plucked at. That's really mostly where it matters at, in my opinion. So I'm cutting off the lace, and then I'm gonna be applying my foundation to the bottom. I am using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the shade 765 Tawny. I'm putting that on the bottom, and then I'm just going to be applying this wig back on. The lace melts into the skin. If you haven't tried a Butta lace unit before, baby, they always melt into the skin, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to be just taking some Got to Be Glued freezing spray in the yellow bottle just to go ahead and lay this unit down. For the ear tabs, I did have to kind of pull those down just a little bit, just so that it'll fit across my hairline. So I'm just gonna hold those in place and use that blow dryer on cool air. And then once that is done, I'm just going to trim the baby hairs down. I like the baby hairs. They're not too thick, they're not too long, and really I'm just trimming mine down. If you don't know what you're doing, or you don't care about baby hairs, you can brush those back, or you could just use them how they are. After that, I'm just going to cut the sideburns as well. I will be using the edge control just to go ahead and lay down those edges. Like I said, if you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to use them. You can brush those back if you don't want any baby hairs. And with this edge control, it's not really like all that, so I would not recommend this brand. I would just recommend the Edge Booster. After that, if you do watch my channel, then you do know I like to put the edge control also on my edges. I just makes it feel like it gives like a silk press kind of look. And then I take my flat iron and I'll go right over it. After I do that, sometimes I do use the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle just to make sure that the hair doesn't move and stay in place. Or I might apply some more of the edge control just to help it stay in place. I just make it feel like it gives you like a really silk kind of press like on your edges, and it looks very nice. And also, if you don't like pluck or whatever, sometimes you can kind of manipulate it to make it look like you plucked your hairline. But like I said, this hairline on this unit, it was like pretty plucked to the T, so it's bomb in the crown area. Like, you do not have to pluck this unit at all. Now I'm gonna take my hands and run
my fingers through this hair, just finger combing it. The hair is like really soft. You don't get a lot of tangling, and I did get, I think, shedding only when I'm brushing the hair. I don't really think it has too much shedding. As far as the tangling too, you would think this hair would like tangle up like a lot, but I have been wearing this unit for a couple of days now and I haven't had that problem. So I really do love the quality on this unit. For me, I felt like the part was kind of crooked, or I don't know, it just felt like the part was off. So I'm just gonna be fixing up the part, and then you will see me plucking the area where the part is at, because I don't know, it just wasn't looking right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck the part, and then I'm gonna kind of fix it up. But this right here is this is optional if you wanted to fix it up. For me, it just looked like it was off. After that, I am gonna go in and flatten down the top and fix the edges once again. I did use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, and then I went on top of that with the shade what is the shade color? Truffle. It is Truffle. And then I do set that with the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottom. And then the only con that I am gonna have is right there in the crown. It has not filler hairs, but it's a lot of short hairs. But that was basically it for this unit. I feel like this is a very sexy, gorgeous unit. It looks so freaking pretty. Like, it is super gorgeous. The quality, everything on this unit is really bomb. If you don't have this unit and you haven't thought about getting this unit, you need to go get this unit because it's just a sexy, gorgeous unit. And I feel like the quality, the money, everything is on point with this unit. I had no problems whatsoever. Like I said, just those little short hairs, and that was it. So make sure to check out Icon Beauty. I will link down below to where you can go ahead and purchase this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.